Hello everyone. Palm trees, sun-kissed beaches and stunning sunsets. When I think of paradise, I think of Hawaii. And when I think of Hawaii, the first drink that comes to mind is a Mai Tai. It's a Hawaiian holiday first day must-do. That first sip of a Mai Tai at sunset is the moment I feel, hey, I'm in Hawaii. Now, while Mai Tais are iconic in Hawaii, they didn't actually start there. The original Mai Tai was created in California by Trader Vic back in 1944. After a very public dispute between Trader Vic and Don the Beachcomber over who invented it, a court eventually ruled in Trader Vic's favour. The name Mai Tai is Tahitian, but is Tahitian in name only, and it was Hawaii in the 1950s that gave this cocktail its tropical twist, adding pineapple juice and a dark rum float on top. The Mai Tai is one of my all-time favourite cocktails. And today we're making the version I love the most, which is perfect for beginners. So, what do we need for our Mai Tai? We need gold spiced rum. I'm using Captain Morgan's. We need orange curaçao. We need orgeat syrup. We need half a lime, pineapple juice, and dark Jamaican rum. I'm using Myer's. So let's get into it. First, we need ice into the shaker. And we need half a lime squeeze, which is 15 mils or half an ounce. Okay, lime juice into the shaker. And we need 15 mils or half an ounce of orgeat syrup. We need 60 mils or 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We need 30 mils or 1 ounce of gold spiced rum. I really do think it's worth it if you can get Captain Morgan gold spiced rum. I really do think this is the best in this particular version of a Mai Tai. 30 mils or 1 ounce of gold spiced rum. And we need 15 mils or half an ounce of orange curaçao. Now we still have one more ingredient, which is the dark Jamaican rum, but we're not going to add that to the end because we're going to float it on the top. So let's give this a shake. Nice and cold. Okay, fresh ice into the glass. And strain it. Now I like to just fill it up with some crushed ice on the top. Okay, so all that's left to do now is to float the rum on the top and then garnish it and then enjoy it. Okay, so we need 30 mils or half an ounce of dark Jamaican rum. Now, we don't really need to put this over a spoon to float it, so I'm just going to chip it gently like that. I just love the way that seeps through to the rest of the drink. It just looks gorgeous. So we need a straw. I'm just using a glass straw. I've got a swivel stick and a worse for wear umbrella. Just gonna stick there. It's also traditional to add the squeezed half lime to the drink, but you know, mine's gonna overflow, so I'm not gonna worry about that today. I think that looks pretty the way it is, to be honest. Look at that, just gorgeous. Okay, let's give this a taste. Oh, wow. Yeah, wow. That just makes me feel like I'm in Waikiki right now. Boy, do I wish I was. We're in the middle of winter here and I cannot wait for summer. You can taste the hint of almond from the orgeat, and you can taste the rums, of course, the pineapple and the lime. And just the orange curaçao just gives it a little bit more of a dryness. This drink is so delicious, and I really feel that Captain Morgan's spiced rum goes so well with the Myer's dark rum. And it's worth getting the both of them, I think, to really have this perfectly tasting Mai Tai. If you try this Hawaiian Mai Tai, please let me know in the comments and tell me where your dream paradise is. Give this video a thumbs up if you're into tropical cocktails, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy themed drinks. And I'll see you next time for another cocktail. Cheers.